We are back. Yes. Veronica and I went to see the Fantastic Four. Oh, Return to something. I don't know, whatever. 2025's Fantastic Four. It was okay. It was not a movie to write home about. No, it was not. It was okay. The kind of movie that bores Veronica. Plus, I found it a little less than riveting. It's not a big movie. No, far from it. Not a big movie. But it'll do. We went for lunch at that place, and we had cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Ooh, now that was worth it. That was good. We split a cheesecake, and that was most excellent. The popcorn at the movie was not very good. No. But hey, it was a day out. And the kids are in Toronto somewhere. Rose, I forget. Rosemount, Rose something. Far away. Too far for the dog to drive because the dog throws up on long drives. So that's why. That's why they don't take her along. She throws up in the car. That's okay. I let her out shortly before Veronica came to pick me up at 11, and I let her out just now, and we went for a short walk because the tractor pull is on. So we went to look at the tractor pull, and then we came back, and she had her poop and her pee, and all is good with the world. And I thought, it's nice. I'll change into shorts and sit out here for a while. Enjoy the summer while it's here. Plus, it's too warm out back. It's always the nicest here. Facing north, yes. You like it too, don't you? Yes. You got lots of water. She got water before I left, and now she's had water. So we're good. We went to the Shoppers Drug Mart. I got some of the makeup that I was short on. And I thought, get this color too and this color too. So I got more colors. I only ever use liner. Tractor pull. It's not too noisy. Just a little. The closer you get, the noisier it is. It's 6 o'clock. It's good to be home.